So the manufacturing in a biotechnology company is very different from the traditional manufacturing that we think about. And we are actually manufacturing protein therapeutics that are produced in a really clean environment using modern techniques of cell culture, chromatography, tangential flow filtration. These are modern techniques that are used in the biotech industry to produce protein therapeutics.
I think the lab experience really helps in terms of like your critical thinking, getting you exposed to how you actually manage environments like this. So it's like a preparation mindset coming into the bigger world. Just from touching little beakers, little vials to handling reactors, it will amplify itself as you come in.
It's very applicable and it's recognized as you apply for jobs in the industry because it's very hands-on. It's very recognized by the senior leadership team here, and it's very applicable to the skills that you learn in that program to what we do day to day.
High school degree with this experience can get you in, but this program helped me out a lot. When I was interviewing, the interviewers were very impressed with the set skills that I learned from this program.
The just introduction into that type of environment is super, it stands out when we look for candidates. It's not whether you have a degree or not. The experience is important too. For those that are introduced into the biotech world, that experience in itself adds great value.
It was developed based on input from the local industry, and it is a very hands-on program. Not only do we give you the conceptual knowledge, but also the hands-on techniques that are used in the industry right now.
I don't know how to explain how rewarding it is, because it's just something where it's more emotional in the sense to see that when you make something, imagining learning all this experience, learning all this that actually contributes to just one little medication that you're saving some person's life. So I think just even that statement itself creates a different impact.
For the newly graduated with this degree or the certificate, it's exciting to put it into perspective of what you've done and where you can go.